right here is the bracket and the 2 screws. And Brad is going to help us install the bracket right up there. So as you guys can see, there are a black, the copper wire, the white wire, and the red, okay? The red wire with the cap on it, we will not be using. So you can tuck that right up into the ceiling. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to make sure, number one, that the power is off. And number two, with regards to that red wire, we are not going to be using that. So Brad's going to tuck that up into the ceiling, and he's going to move the rest of the wires out of the way. And from this point, what we're going to do is we're going to take the 2 screws that come with the black bracket, and we're going to install it into the ceiling. So we're going to install the bracket into the already holes that are there. All right, got the other one right there. And these screws come with your kit as well. All right, and it's nice and snug to the ceiling. Thanks, Brad.